What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and again my name is Brian, and today I'm going to teach you the song called Breathe on Me by Britney Spears. So let's get started. Alright, for this one we're gonna start on the floor. So from here, you can do any pose that you like. So from here, you're gonna go look to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going up on 5, 6, 7, and 8. So from here, you're gonna go up 1, 2, 3, 4. Then your hands going down while walking to the front. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's try again. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, up. 5, 6, 7, side, go 1, 2, 3, walk front. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, next one, from here, you're gonna go to your left side, down 1, 2, 3, 4, going up 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, up 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? Next, you're gonna step to the back, shift your weight to the front, and turn around, open. Let's try again. So going up, 6, 7, and 1, 2, turn around, 3, and up 4. From here, you're gonna go 5, 6, close on 7, freeze on 8. One more time. Let's try again. So you're gonna go 1, 2, turn 4, 5, 6, close on 7, and 8. Next, after this, you're gonna go full change going to the right, cross, hand to the back of your head. Again, 7 and cross. 1, side, 2, 3, and change. Drop on 5, 6, 7, change back to left. One more time. So 7, 8, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Alright, next, after this, you're gonna go circle. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then have yourself 5, 6, change weight 7, and 9. Alright, try again. 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hug. 6, 7, and 9. Alright, very good. Next, you're gonna go side 1, 2, 3, and 4. Prepare. 6, kick, 7, drop on 8. One more time. 7, 8, cross 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Alright, next, you're gonna go up on 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, then again 5, 6, 7, and the 8. One more time. So you're gonna go down, you're gonna go up on 1, 2, 3, turn 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright? Alright guys, after that you're gonna do ad-lib. 1, 8, quick 1, 8. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn around 1 and 2. That's it. One more time. 6, 7, ad-lib. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn around 1 and 2. Good job. Okay, this time, let's try everything from the beginning. So I'll go down, 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Walk aside. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Close. 7 and pause. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 5, 6, 7. Close. 1, 2, 3, and 4. High. 6, 7. Nine step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5. Prepare. Kick. Drop. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Ad-lib. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2. Good job. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you liked the video. And of course, if you are having a hard time to get the choreography, you can rewind the video or you can pause in some part. And we'll see you soon. Bye bye.